Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday and katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So, outfit check muna tayo guys. So, since it's Friday, naka-Goodyear uniform tayo. So, punta na tayo sa work guys. Let's go guys! So, yan guys, andito na ako sa work and katatapos ko lang din na to guys mag-coffee break. So, as what you have noticed, sobrang busy ko talaga today guys kasi nga hindi tayo pumasok kahapon. So, obviously, tambak yung paperworks natin today. So, anyway guys, since month end kahapon, hindi ako nakasubmit ng reports and then hindi ko din natapos lahat ng reports ko. So, our task for today guys is tapusin lahat ng reports and isubmit din ito ahead of time. Kasi nga guys, tomorrow is aalis kami papuntang Ormoc kasi magkakaroon ng team building yung Ormoc branch. So obviously, since kami yung nag-aasikaso lahat ng mga papers from Ormoc branch, kasama kami sa team building. So kasama namin si ate and then si Nika. So hindi ko lang sure kung sasama yung mga boss. Pero anyway guys, kailangan ko itong tapusin and kailangan ko ding i-prepare lahat ng reports para at least before kami umalis is makasubmit na ako ng report. So anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, still working and sobrang daming paperworks talaga today guys kasi nga kailangan kong tapusan yung sales namin para makita namin kung target kami or hindi. And then, I will also check guys lahat ng mga purchased monitoring. So, yun yung pinaka-importante talaga. So, sobrang loaded tayo today guys pero kaya naman. So, anyway guys, continue ko lang yung work ko. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys. So, yan guys, as what you have noticed, meron tayong Let Mix and Match today kasi nga na-receive na ni Kuya Nelvin yung incentives niya as a DSP. So, they treat us ng Mix and Match. So, yan. Pero since kulang yung nabili ni Chini, maghahati kami ng Coke Float. So, anyway guys, mag-merienda lang muna ako kasi yun nga nakakagutom din talaga gumawa ng mga paperwork. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo guys. Kain na muna tayo guys. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa bahay and as what you have noticed, sobrang nakakapagod talaga guys kasi nga sobrang loaded natin today and sobrang sakit ng likod ko. So, anyway guys, samahan niyo muna ako mag-prepare. I-prepare ko lang lahat ng mga dadalhin ko para bukas. Actually guys, one handy bag lang yung dadalhin ko kasi nga pagkabukas, babalik na din naman kami agad. So, yan guys, samahan niyo muna ako mag-prepare. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys. So, yan guys, patapos na rin ako mag-prepare. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!